Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel where we help you get more out of HubSpot. Now let me ask you something. Do you want to get access to new HubSpot features before most users even know they exist? If yes, then HubSpot beta features are exactly what you should be using. Inside every HubSpot portal, there is a dedicated place where HubSpot releases early access features so user can try them, test them and give feedback. And in this video, I'll show you exactly where to find it and how to join or leave a beta. So let's jump inside HubSpot. Once you are logged in, look at the top right corner of your HubSpot account. Just click on your profile and go to product updates. Just click on product updates now, and you will see all the betas here. You can click on all to see all the betas, or you can select the filtered ones. Now, if you want to join any beta, you can just click on join beta, or if you have already joined some betas, you can leave those betas as well. So let's say you want to join this beta. Before joining, you must read what this is all about. You can read it from here and just click on join beta. It will ask you if you want to enroll the full account. You can just enroll the full account and join the beta. So you have already joined this beta now. Now let's say after some time you want to, if you are already using this feature and you want to give feedback, you can just click on give feedback and give the feedback from here. Or if you want to leave the beta, you can click on that and just click on leave beta, and you can leave the beta. So you can give the feedback here as well and leave the beta. One quick tip here: if you are an admin, don't explore betas alone. Make it a habit to discuss these features with your team, test them properly, train users, and collect feedback. HubSpot actually encourages this, and if this something works well or doesn't, you can always share that feedback directly with HubSpot. That's honestly the best way to stay ahead and get the most value out of the platform. And that's all there is to joining betas features in HubSpot. If you found this helpful and want more HubSpot tutorial tips and real world use cases, make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.